Good morning, and here we go again, folks. Got another ceiling fan for you. I'm going to scrap her out for some scrap metal. For the motor, for the steel, for the brass. A little bit of insulated wire. I'll show you everything. This one looks pretty nice, but it's basically junk. No light bulbs this time. Besides, I got enough of those. There you go. Good overall view. And of course, we got the tools laid out. Brass bucket ready to go. So let's get going on this. We're still working. There we go. We'll start by getting these brass pieces off of here in the chains. Cut the little ends off of here. These are plastic from the steel bucket. There's a brass chain. Ferrule. Real long chain. Of course, as always, don't forget your gloves. As I always say, it's no sense getting hurt for this. There's not a ton of money in it. Can't afford doctor bills on what you make on this. Not even a walk-in clinic. There we go. Comes right off. Cut the wires here. Steel. Cut the wires going to the lights. That off out of there. There's a little wire bundle. I just cut the switch off of here. Junk. Get the glass off of here. Get the lubes off. Recycle. I did not re-loosen anything. Again, I like to show you the way it really goes. I don't like to make it look too easy. Because it's not. And that would be lying, so can't do that. Ta-da! Let's see. Screw here. The screws out of the light switch, or reversal switch, whatever they call it. Usually it reverses the fan. If you take them out now, it just makes it easier later when you pull the other wire bundle out of there. It's in here. switch comes right out. Get your cutters, go all the way down here. I'll show you that. See right there. And again, just cut the junk off of this. Switch, couple capacitors. Wire. Yeah, just use my fumbling a little bit. Coffee's kicking in. Junk out of the way. More wire. Now there's usually a nut on this right here, which is why I got that. But this doesn't have one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this the easy way. Take the hammer and bang it one side, and then bang it to the left to loosen it. Hold the motor still. This screws off. Junk steel. I think I'll go ahead and get the blades on here. Figures. The washer here. There we go. Beautiful. Now we're going to work on this part up here. First is a little ground wire. That little screw that holds it looks like it's brass, but it's not. It's just brass plate steel. Steel bucket it goes. There's a slide pin here. Just pull that out. The little ball comes straight off. This one, unfortunately, is plastic, so junk. Since you already cut the wires on the other side, just grab these and pull them straight out. Another piece of junk steel. Now, you've got a pin with a hole pin here. I'll show you. See a little pin right there? You just pull that out. You undo these two screws. Real easy. Usually. Bink. There's that. Sometimes this post is threaded at the bottom. This one's not. You can usually see it. Again, again, go ahead and take these 4 screws out first. Just makes it easier later. Sorry, I don't have a bunch to say today, but it's not a real talkative mood for some reason. I don't know why. Plate, steel. Now you got 4 long bolts with nuts. Just grab the nut on the other side and start on one. Here's the nut, which is also steel. Looks like brass, but it ain't. Off. Screws out of there. More scrap steel. More scrap steel. Again, this looks like brass, it's not. An electric motor, 10 cents a pound right now. Double the price of steel, only 5 cents a pound. Up a little bit. Magnet. Beautiful. Set the motor aside. Oh, no we don't. Hang on. Yeah. This piece is cast aluminum. Right here. 2 set screws in this. Which again is not common. This one's going to be fairly easy, I think. Come on. Get out. Grab the channel locks. Hold the shaft on one side. I just put it on like this. Put it down like that and just lean on it like that. That's not going to turn, so get our pointy tool into one of the holes. It's not going to move either. So, there you go. That got it loose. One motor. Get on your blades. Put them all over. I'm going to show you this. See, there's 3 screws right there. There's 2 screws on the other side holding the casing. You just zip through this. Like that. It's nice when they stick to the bit like that. So you just boop out of the way. Now, some people don't do this because they don't know that these are cast aluminum. I'm doing it because I got one piece on one side and one piece on the other side. So kind of double shot. Come on. Never hurts to talk to your tools. They're your friends. Yes, I know that sounds crazy. Get in there. There we go. clean, comes out fairly quick. Yeah, I'm sure you notice the dust on these blades too. You got allergies, go get some paper masks, they're cheap. They'll save you a big headache, literally and figuratively. So here you go. Those 5 pieces. Blades. These 5 pieces. Cast aluminum. And there you go. Simple as that. Again, given the weight of the motor and other things, 10 cents a pound, 20 cents. It's about $2 on the motor. It's about at least 5 pounds of aluminum there, so 40 cents a pound. Again, it's probably another $2. Little bits of brass and wire. It's about $5 a ceiling fan. You saw how quick it went. No big deal. And I've still got screws all over the place. There we go. Clean that up. So there you go, folks. Another ceiling fan. $5 at a time. That's how we survive. Again, scrap steel. There's the aluminum. There's a brass part of a faucet I did earlier. Junk parts. There's the motor. So that's how it goes. Again, I appreciate you all having a look at this. I know it's not very thrilling and not tremendously entertaining, but hey, you want to know how to take these apart on a regular basis? I'm your guy. So thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you again. See ya.